Hello, photography enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey through the world of digital single-lens reflex DSLR cameras, unveiling the top 5 models that promise to elevate your photography game. From lightning-fast bursts to impressive video capabilities, these cameras are ready to capture your every moment. Let's dive in. Presenting the Nikon D4S, a subtle refresh of the revolutionary D4 and a formidable contender in the world of professional photography. Boasting superb dynamic range, impressive shooting speeds, and an astounding ISO setting of 409,600, it stands out as a top choice for photographers who demand nothing short of excellence. A true powerhouse in its category, the Nikon D4S exhibits no significant drawbacks during evaluation. The pros of the Nikon D4S are noteworthy, with its superb dynamic range ensuring that photographers can capture a wide range of tones and details in their shots. The great autofocus capabilities further enhance its performance, providing precision and accuracy in various shooting scenarios. The remarkable ISO setting of 409,600 adds a layer of versatility, allowing photographers to excel even in low-light conditions. Remarkably, during the evaluation, no significant cons were found, solidifying the Nikon D4S as a top-tier choice for those seeking a professional-grade camera. Its combination of exceptional features, performance, and lack of notable drawbacks make it a reliable and powerful tool for photographers who demand the best in their craft. In the realm of professional DSLRs, the Canon EOS 1DX stands as a towering multimedia powerhouse. Packed with pro-grade features, an impressive 18.1 megapixel sensor, and versatile capabilities, it emerges as the go-to choice for professionals capturing a wide spectrum of subjects, from studio shots to wildlife. While it carries a bit of heft on the scale, its weight is justified by the unparalleled performance it delivers, making it worth every penny for discerning photographers. The pros of the Canon EOS 1DX are plentiful, with its arsenal of pro-grade features ensuring that professionals have the tools needed to capture exceptional images in various scenarios. The substantial 18.1 megapixel sensor further enhances its capabilities, providing detailed and high-quality imagery. However, it's crucial to note that the weight of the camera surpasses 7 pounds, which might be a consideration for users prioritizing portability. Despite this, the Canon EOS 1DX's robust performance and feature-rich design make it a standout choice for professionals who demand nothing but the best. The weight, while a notable factor, is a trade-off for the unparalleled performance and capabilities this DSLR brings to the table. Catering to the discerning stills photographer, we introduce the Nikon D810, a camera that excels in delivering incredible shots and offers compatibility with a diverse range of Nikon lenses. With impressive speed catering to various photography needs, the D810 stands as a reliable, powerful, and flexible companion for those eager to elevate their photography skills. The pros of the Nikon D810 are evident in its compatibility with a wide variety of Nikon lenses, providing photographers with the flexibility to experiment and achieve different creative visions. The high-speed shooting capabilities of the camera further enhance its versatility, allowing users to capture fast-paced moments with precision. Remarkably, during the evaluation, no significant cons were found, solidifying the Nikon D810 as an outstanding choice for stills photographers seeking excellence. Whether you are a seasoned professional or an enthusiast looking to hone your skills, this camera offers a seamless blend of compatibility, speed, and reliability, with no notable drawbacks to overshadow its impressive capabilities. Introducing the Canon EOS 5D Mark III, a camera that artfully strikes a perfect balance catering to both hobbyists and professionals alike. With faster shot-to-shot times, improved autofocus capabilities, and exceptional metering, it excels in a spectrum of photography and video applications, making it a solid choice for those who demand both performance and versatility. The Canon EOS 5D Mark III boasts an array of pros that contribute to its well-rounded performance. Its high-performing autofocus ensures that your subjects are captured with precision and clarity. The fast shooting speeds further enhance its responsiveness, making it a reliable companion for dynamic shooting scenarios. Additionally, the superb metering capabilities of the camera add a layer of sophistication, allowing for precise exposure control. Remarkably, during the evaluation, no significant cons were found, solidifying the Canon EOS 5D Mark III as a stellar choice for those seeking a camera that seamlessly balances performance and versatility. Whether you're a hobbyist or a seasoned professional, this camera stands out as a dependable tool for capturing exceptional moments with no notable drawbacks to dampen its appeal. Our first contender in the camera arena is the Nikon D500, a hailed marvel considered Nikon's best-ever APS-C DSLR. If speed is at the top of your wish list, the D500 delivers with an impressive 10 frames per second burst shooting capability, making it a standout choice for professional photographers. Beyond its speed prowess, this camera is packed with advanced features, boasts weather sealing for durability in various conditions, and comes equipped with 4K video capabilities, making it a powerhouse neatly wrapped in a compact package. The pros of the Nikon D500 are clearly evident, with its exceptional 10 frames per second burst shooting capability, ensuring you capture those fleeting moments with precision. The robust weather sealing adds a layer of reliability, making this camera suitable for various shooting environments. The impressive 4K video capabilities further enhance its versatility, catering to both photographers and videographers alike. Astonishingly, no significant cons were found during the evaluation, solidifying the Nikon D500 as a well-rounded and formidable choice in the APS-C DSLR category. For those seeking speed, durability, and advanced features, this camera proves to be a reliable companion with no notable drawbacks to overshadow its outstanding performance. And there you have it, Shutterbugs. The top 5 DSLR cameras that cater to a range of preferences, from speed enthusiasts to stills perfectionists. Which one caught your eye? Share your thoughts in the comments below, smash that like button if you enjoyed this showcase, and subscribe for more photography insights. Until next time, keep clicking and capturing those unforgettable moments. Happy shooting!